Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I have prepared a very quick and easy one-stroke technique with the combination of the transfer foil. Have a preview of it in here. Absolutely a speedy design, doesn't take a long time, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So let's start. Very pretty and simple looking design again. So we are going to use the acrylic paints, and for acrylic paints I like to use the baby wipes. Like, I think this is a must-have. We are not going to paint anything too complicated, and I actually want to show you I could do it probably with the closed eyes. Honestly guys, it's going to be a very simple kind of shape. So I'm using the one stroke level 1 brush, that's the larger ones, and the drop of the water in there, and then pick up my white and magenta, mix it really well, like almost messy. I don't want the colors to be separated, so depending on what you want to paint, you want the colors either separated or not. Okay, and we are going to paint a very simple flower. So touch of the brush, then come back, touch of the brush, then come back, touch of the brush, and then come back. Okay, so with this couple movements of the brush, we have painted a flower. It does looks like a flower. Leave this one to dry, and then let's paint another one. So this one is going to come up from the top. I'm going to spend a little bit longer time on this one. And we are going to paint a petal, another petal, and another petal. Wait for it to dry. And in the meantime, paint another one in here. So let's place this one, why not right in the middle? No, like upside down. And we are going very wavy. So like a nice wave. Come back. Nice wave. Come back. Nice wave. Come back. That's plenty. Pick up the paint again. And then we are going to finish off this flower. So one touch of the brush. This paint should be a little bit more dry, but I'm just going to risk it. Touch it, and then touch it. Okay, and we have painted another flower. Clean our brush, and let's move on into the next step. So on the side, I'm going to add the detail with the black foil gel. And I'm going to use the liner brush, but it has to be the brush which was in the gel. So I don't want to use the one which I used for the acrylic paints. And let's add the detail in there. So this one is ready as the first one. And I'm just picking up a small scoop of the black foil gel, and we are going to add some detail into our flower. Okay, so I want some dots in there just to finish off our flower. We can also add some detail just here and there. I'm honestly, guys, painting it kind of almost random. Creating some kind of split. And then add some detail. So something in there. Nice swirly bits and pieces. And another one just in here. It will be extremely difficult to transfer the foil over such as different places, but let's challenge. We like challenges, so cook it in and then add the detail into this one. So just the same. You don't have to outline everything, just some places. Again, swirl. Make this one, you can see that the line isn't even, it's missing product, and if it does miss the product, the transfer foil wouldn't transfer there. Another swirl and another one. I'm also missing something on the other side. And then that's plenty. So let's cook it. And then quickly paint on the other one. Just again add some detail first of all in the flower. I'm honestly just painting like wherever. Dots. And some swirly parts. So for this part, I'm using the D-liner brush. That's it. No. Last one. That's it. Let's cook it. And then grab the first one. So first one was this one. I'm going to clean my brush and take away from the light, and then we are going to use some silver transfer foil. And try to transfer it. For those of you who are struggling to use the black foil design gel, I recommend the transfer foil gel glue. Okay, so I'm just placing my foil in between the fingers. I don't want the tip to fly on me. So I will transfer this place first. Hold it. And then pull it. That looks actually amazing. Go into another place. Hold it. Pull it. And then go to the places which you didn't transfer. Oh, this one wouldn't work. The one on the bottom. Oh no, it just ran away from my finger. I could feel it. Doing this on the client is definitely much easier, guys, task, because see what I did? The tip just separates, and if you touch it, it's so messy, it's not going to work. So not a chance. Let's try it. Oh no, it always does to me. It's so easy if you do it on the client, and so hard if you do it on the flying tips. And you've got just one, okay, maybe two goes to make it perfect. Okay, so first one is done. I'm not going to do the same mistake on the next tip, and I will straight away place it here. I mean, it looks amazing. It really does. And I love those silver over the flower bits and pieces. At the same time, I cannot touch it, because if I do touch it with my fingers, it wouldn't transfer. So what I did, I gently just pressed the tip, and then I'm pulling it straight away. Go in here. That's a really nice transfer, and then on the top, and we've got really nice transfer as well. Okay, so this one is absolutely perfect, because we have straight away went into the easier option rather than the tip flying everywhere. And then let's do the last one. So it's quite risky to use the same transfer foil because there is quite a lot of bends, but I'm just going to risk it. Let me place it here. Don't touch it with your fingers. There we are. And another thing is, if you're working with the transfer foil, remember, guys, you've got just a one go. So try to pick up a clean place of the transfer foil. And don't forget, the design is kind of almost like a 3D. It's not just flat paint, it sticks out. So you need to kind of wiggle a little bit with your finger, but at the same time don't move it. So look what I'm doing, wiggle. And then I can see that was a really nice and clean transfer, because I went to the sides, like I didn't miss those 3D bits and pieces. But I'm really happy with this simple design, I would say. It looks so pretty. And you can go completely random. So that's this one. So nice and pretty. Let's top coat it. You could stick some blink into it as well, but I'm just going to keep it minimalistic, like really minimalistic. Then do this one. And the last one. That one is actually so pretty as well. So top coat it, cook it, and then let's see all three of them together. Again, I'm not going to, because we kind of record live-ish, I'm not going to touch the top coat because it's not cooked. It takes like 60 seconds to cure the top coat, and I tend to under-cure just to don't keep... I love this one, these two together actually, they look so pretty, like really nice and pretty. And this one, I love it too. Actually, I like them all three together, like not over the top design. Oh gosh. I'm going to finish cooking them later on. So not over the top design, really nice and pretty. I'm sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.